everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are fine. Today in this video I am going to explain the section formula. Suppose you have a line segment AB. The coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and coordinates of point B are x2, y2. This line segment has been divided by a point P in the ratio m:n. Now what does the section formula gives? Section formula tells us the coordinates of this point P. So what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is equal to m into x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. And the y coordinate is m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So these are the coordinates of the point P, which is dividing your line in the ratio m:n. It will be clear with the help of an example. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. As you can see here, point A is 4, -3, point B is 8, 5 and the point P divides it in the ratio 3:1. So m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1. So we'll apply the section formula here. So we'll get x will be equal to, here m is 3, x2 is 8, n is 1 and x1 is 4 upon 3 plus 1. So we get 24 plus 4 upon 4, that is 28 upon 4, which is equal to 7. So the x coordinate of the point P is 7. In the same way, we'll find the y coordinate. Here again, value of m is 3, y2 is 5, n is 1, y1 is -3 upon m plus n. So we'll get 15 minus 3 upon 4, which is 12 upon 4 and which is equal to 3. So the coordinates of this point are 7, 3. Discuss with you a very important and as well as an interesting thing. The midpoint of any line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. So m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1 if P is the midpoint. And the coordinates of this point P will be, x will be equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate will be equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Isn't it interesting? With the help of an example, AB is a line segment joining points A 2, 2 and B 4, 6. P is the midpoint of this line. So what will be the coordinates of point P? Let us see. X coordinate will be x1 plus x2. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 6 upon 2, which will give you 3. And y coordinate will be y1 plus y2. y1 is 2 and y2 is 6 upon 2, that will give you 8 upon 2, which is equal to 4. So the x and y coordinates of point P are 3, 4. I hope all of you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.